Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can delete a Bitunix account. So let's get straight into it. Now I assume that you are logged in into your profile, then head over to your profile icon right over here, click on it, and then go at the top left to the security, and now scroll down all the way to the end, and right here you will see account activity. Now you have two options, so disable account or delete account. So if you disable account, most operation will be restricted, including login, trading, deposits, and withdrawals. So this is the disable account. Then you have delete account. Uh, as you can see right here, you have been with Bitunix for 1 day, yeah. So if you have some issues right here, you can contact support or submit feedback. Otherwise, you just delete here, press this button on the left, and you will delete account. And this is how you can delete your account on Bitunix. I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next.